Well, hello, Montura family. I'm Erin Hitzman, and I want you to know that there's a very important meeting you need to attend this Saturday, December 12th at 3:30 at the Montura Clubhouse. So the Central County Board of Supervisors is actually inviting you to a workshop to discuss your ideas and solutions to the proposed animal limitations and restrictions for the new zoning that they're looking at implementing with the Montura land study. So we really need our residents and landowners to come out and bring ideas, bring solutions, bring their feedback to the most recent proposals and come up with shifts and changes, what you think is fair, what is fair to you as a resident, what's fair to the animals, what's fair to your neighbors. So what's good for the community as a whole. We need a balance, and right now we're not in balance. But we don't know that the proposals for the animal restrictions and limitations are a balance either. So we really need to know from you as a resident and a landowner this Saturday, and you have to be there. It's very important that you come and let your voice be heard. All right, guys, we will see you this Saturday.